Good morning, everyone. Today is March 12th, 2015, and welcome to our live Forex scalping session for today. Of course, before we get started, please note and read the disclaimer that you just saw on your screen. We are HyperFX Academy, and we educate people on how to trade the Forex market successfully and with very minimal risk. We have been trading the Forex market for over 15 years, so a lot of experience there. I am again starting a brand new account today. It's one of our $100,000 accounts. So today all of the trades that you're going to see are based on that $100,000 account. All these trades that were taken were taken using the HyperFX system and one of the HyperFX setups that we have. And then of course we're going to show you the closing balance for the day at the end of the video. The first trade that you see on your screen, there are a total of 4 trades that we took today, all of which were profitable. Now you're going to notice the total obviously is going to be aggressively larger than one of our other accounts, which we were trading for the past month on our $10,000 account. Now the effort, like again, is exactly the same. We are still taking the same trades that are generated by the HyperFX system. So nothing really has changed aside from the dollar value and the account size. That's the only difference. Everything else is still the same. So what do we do at HyperFX and what kind of strategies do we use? As you know, I've talked about this, one of our workshops coming up later on this month. We're also working on an online modular system which you can purchase for you to learn the HyperFX system and the different strategies that we do use to trade. You will have access to the same strategy that I use every single day to trade and the trades that you're actually seeing on your screen. So we are scalpers and the HyperFX strategy allows us to scalp the market very aggressively and it gives us an opportunity to get into trades that are very high probability turning points in the market, and we know exactly when we need to enter a particular trade and when we need to exit a trade depending upon what our profit target is for that day or for that trade. So we manage about 1 to 3% in profits every single day. That is our goal, to get at least 1 to 3%. Now some days we will have less and some days we will have more. It really depends on what the market is doing and the volatility of that the market in that particular day. This is the second trade that you're looking at on your screen, guys, pound yen trade. All of the trades were successful. I believe this particular trade we took over 700 in profits. So like I was saying, we are scalpers. We are not swing traders. We don't hold out positions for many hours or for overnight or for weeks or days. We are in and out of our positions very fast. So most of our trades that we enter, we manage one trade per chart. So we don't enter multiple trades on different charts because managing a particular trade is extremely important. So rather than focusing on multiple trades on multiple different charts, we want to be able to focus on one trade. That way we know exactly what the trade is doing, and we know exactly when we need to exit that trade when it's in profit. So HyperFX system really allows us to get in and out of our trades very fast. We only trade the US open session, which is between 7:30 in the morning, and we end our day before 11 a.m. That is our goal. We notice that after 11 the market really slows down, and we don't like being sitting in front of our computer for hours just waiting for one trade to play out and do its thing. We rather just focus on when the market is doing something. It's volatile and we're in and out very fast, and we're able to manage that 1 to 3% in profits. We're easily able to do that with the HyperFX system and with the HyperFX strategies that are in place for us to actually manage that. So we're actually quite happy with that. Now again, I was mentioning this yesterday. If you want to, there's no need, there's no reason why you can't trade more than one session. That's really up to you. We only do one session because that's, we're happy with that. But if you want to trade the evening session, the Asian session, you're absolutely fine. You know, the profit potential is still there. You're still going to be following the system, the HyperFX system, and you're still going to be managing, you know, whatever your goal is, whether it's 1% profit, whether it's 2, 3, it's really up to you what kind of time you want to dedicate to trading. So again, it's up to you. The system will be the same. The trades entries that the system will generate will be the same. There you go, guys. You're looking at our closing balance. So today was our first day trading on this account. We managed over 2.2% in profits today. We were really happy with that. And I will be back tomorrow, guys, with more of our live trades on this account. Until then, have a fantastic day. Happy trading, guys.